Hey you, it's the IT guy. Listen, I'm dicking around in the Batcave tonight with a little machine learning in Python. You can see some of the code right here. I'm just doing a simple chat bot, and what I want to show you is I'm using Google Search to give me the responses back, and everything was pretty okay until I gave it the ability to do images, and then shit got really weird. I was getting back answers from Google that didn't make any sense. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm just going to open browser window here, and we're going to do white couples just to set a baseline. Trust me. So, okay. Um, okay. Well, there's lots of interracial couples when I do white couples. Well, when I do, let's see. Let's try straight couples. Uh, um, Google. Uh, okay. Well, actually, I've got a list. So let's look at a few examples I've just came up with. So let's go to notes here. Let's do American inventors. I mean, certainly, what could be wrong with American inventors? So let's look at American inventors. I didn't say, did I type African American? No, I didn't. Oh, I don't remember Benjamin Franklin having that much of a. Oh, oh dear. Okay, well, I'm sure that's a one-off. So let's do historical European people, because why not? Historical European people. Oh dear. I mean, it's diverse, it's nice, but that's. Uh, oh dear. Not really exactly what I was looking for. Well, let's do this one. This one is certainly safe. European art. Who does not love art? Even people named Arthur love art. So European. Oh, Botticelli. Oh, oh. I mean, it's neat. I like it, but I don't think that should be the primary search result. Oh, so back to my code. Well, here's the problem. I just won't use Google search anymore. I've been the IT guy. You've been whoever the fuck you are. Peace.